Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank our honorable teacher, Fahmida Siddiqa, a senior lecturer of Defurit International University, for giving me an opportunity for a video presentation. And in this presentation, I will discuss about Zigzag tool, which is similar to diamond design. Now I am going to ready to my Zigzag tool presentation. So please could you turn over the camera in here. What's wrote on here? Here wrote draw vertical and horizontal zigzag tool. Here a 2 repeat size which is 10 into 5 and 5 into 10. And how we find out which one going to be vertical, which one going to be horizontal. If the first one number is upper than second one on repeat size, so we can understand the repeat size and the twill design will goes on a horizontal view. If the first one is lower than the second one repeat size, then we can understand the design will goes on vertical view. So here the repeat size is 5 into 10 and 5 into 10, 10 into 5 and 5 into 10. So we first of all we should have to make a base twill. So 5, and we will take here lowest number on, so the formula number will be 3 up and 2 down. So we used in here base twill, so 3 up 2 down, 3 up 2 down, 3 up 2 down, 3 up 2 down, 3 up 2 down. Here our base twill is complete. So we start to horizontal zigzag twill. So as I tell, at first we have to numbering on here 1 2 3 4 5, and the last 5 is going to in here 5 and 4 3 2 1. My numbering session is complete, and I will go number in vertical 1 2 3 4 5, and 5 is going to last one 5 4 3 2 1. So at first I just copy paste on base twill on first part, 3 up 2 down, 3 up 2 down, 3 up 2 down, 3 up 2 down, 3 up 2 down. And now we just copy and paste on other side, and same as the numbering position. So and the first one is 3 up 2 down, we just position on here 3 up 2 down, and second one we just position on number 2. So 1 2 3, and third is goes on number 3, and fourth goes on number 4, and last one 5 goes on number 5. Now my horizontal zigzag twill, which is 10 into 5 repeat size, is completed. And now I'm going to show you how we draw a vertical zigzag twill. As far as we first apply the base twill on here, base twill, horizontal, and this is vertical. So we just set on base twill 3 up 2 down, 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 and we just now copy and paste on other side. So as we do on horizontal view, and same we do on vertical view. So number 1 is 3 up 2 down. So number 1, not 3 up 2 down, number 1 which is 1, and there's going to be 1. So up down down up up down down up up. On vertically we just copy paste here, and horizontally copy paste 2, and now goes to on 2 up 2 down 1 up, number 3 3 up, 2 down, 1 2 3, 2 down. Number 4, 1 down, 3 up, 1 down, 1 down, 3 up, 1 down, and last one number 5, 2 down, 3 up. So our vertically and horizontal zigzag twill is completed. And as far as that's finished my vertical and horizontal zigzag twill. Hopefully who views on this video and my friends, you will understand. If you already don't know about the vertical and horizontal zigzag twill, I think you can understand from using or viewing this video. And thank you ma'am for a great video presentation. Thank you, and good Allah Hafiz, goodbye.